last few months, I learned a lot about this social media marketing, blogging, keyword researchers, this digital marketing, internet marketing, and all these things. I learned all these things without spending money for free from the digital marketing courses out there in the internet. So, if you are a beginner or trying to learn about this digital marketing and social media marketing things, in this video, I'm going to tell you about the best online marketing courses out there in the internet. So, let's dive in. The first course is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing by Google. One of the best free online marketing courses is the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing offered by Google Digital Garage. The course is made up of 26 models covering all important aspects of digital marketing. Through this course, you will learn how to create a marketing strategy to get your business online. The course is divided into 7 sections covering all major areas of digital marketing. This course is totally free and it has a course duration of 40 hours, and I recommend this for beginners who want to learn all about these digital marketing things. In this course, you will learn about getting found on Google search, mobile marketing, online advertising, analytics, and expanding internationally. Then the second course is Keyword Research course with Greg Gifford by SEMrush. One of the most critical tasks of almost all online campaign is keyword research. This free marketing course by SEMrush will teach you how to conduct keyword research in just 1 hour. The course is made up of 8 lessons. Although this course is using SEMrush to perform keyword research, the concepts explained can be used to do a keyword research on any other tool. This is a totally free course and the course duration is 1 hour, and I recommend this for all the beginners who want to learn about these keyword research things. By following this course, you can learn about keyword research, understanding search intent, perform keyword research using SEMrush tools, and competitor analysis. Then the third online course is 1 Hour Guide to SEO by Moz. The 1 Hour Guide to SEO is taught by Moz founder and it consists of 6 free videos, a total duration of 1 hour. This is a totally free course and I recommend this for all the beginners who want to learn about SEO. By following this course, you will learn all the fundamentals of SEO and how to do a keyword research, how to keep searchers happy, how to do a on-page SEO, technical SEO, and link building. Then the next digital marketing course is Google Ads Search Certification by Google Skillshop. One important channel of online marketing is PPC marketing, and Google Ads is the major platform in this area. Becoming a PPC specialist is essential if you plan to follow a career in digital marketing. To prepare for the certification, Google offers 9 free courses. Courses cover topics related to the design, setup, and optimization of Google search campaigns. This is a totally free course and I recommend this for all the beginners and intermediates who want to learn about Google Ads. The course duration is 2.5 hours. By following this course, you will learn everything you need to know about Google Ads. Then the next course is Internet Marketing Education by Copyblogger. Although this course was initially released a few years ago, it is still valid today. The Internet Marketing Education in 16 ebooks and 20 emails free course will teach you clever ways to mix social media, content marketing, and SEO for lead generations. This is a totally free course and I recommend this for all the beginners who want to learn about social media, content marketing, and SEO. By following this course, you will learn building relationship building, copywriting, creating great content, and selling. Then the next digital marketing course is Facebook Digital Marketing Associate course by Facebook. One of the trendy free marketing courses these days is Digital Marketing Associate course offered by Facebook Blueprint. Facebook Blueprint is the online training academy of Facebook offering free courses on topics related to Facebook and digital marketing. This is a totally free course and I recommend this for all the beginners who want to learn about Facebook marketing. By following this course, you will learn about creating a Facebook business page, how to get more likes on Facebook and Instagram, how to design and execute a Facebook ad campaign, and other topics to run a successful Facebook campaign. Then the next one is Content Marketing Free Course by HubSpot Academy. One of the marketing classes to learn content marketing for free is the Content Marketing courses offered by HubSpot Academy. It is a comprehensive and quality course made up to 12 lessons that includes videos and quizzes. This is a totally free course and I recommend this for all the beginners who want to learn about content marketing. By following this course, you will learn about becoming a better content marketer and introduced to framework for creating a good content of consistent basis. And the content duration is 6.5 hours. Then the next course is Google Analytics free course by Google Skillshare. Learning about analytics is really important to grow your business and all these social media campaigns. One of the digital marketing disciplines that are always in demand is reporting and analytics. If you're starting out now, this is one of the areas tackled first. Analytics will give you a valuable information about your users and help you make informed decisions to all your marketing campaigns. This is a free course and I recommend this for all the beginners who want to learn about Google Analytics. Believe me, analytics are really important in expanding your business. By following this course, you will get a deep understanding of how to do a reporting and analysis using Google Analytics. So I follow all the above online courses and I learn a lot from them. Other than those courses, I learn a lot from the free tutorials in the YouTube. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a wonderful week ahead.